Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can easily change your server in Genshin Impact on PC or Mac or what you got. So when you're gonna click launch here, and right now it's loading. Okay, let's go, baby. And then you're gonna see, like, I got my name here, right? I got the Europe server here. I just click on it, right? And then you get like America, and data will not be shared across servers. This is the only thing that needs to be solved right now, but right now it's not shared, so you can change between Asia and this Taiwan. I think it's Taiwan, Hong Kong, and I don't know what is MO. So Mongolia, I don't know, Asia, America, Europe, and this is how you can simply choose it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.